red Honeywell 9000 series thermostat. So the homeowner recently had this wall reframed to accommodate a washer and dryer. And the contractor moved the thermostat that was here to here. Here's the equipment. So one of the first things I did, make sure power's on, and that looks like it's on. It says on, doesn't mean it is. And when I put my ear up to the unit, you can listen, hold on. Hear the humming? So there's humming there. But no bueno aquí. The humming stopped. Humming back on. Humming stopped. Let's get a 1/4-inch driver. Take out these screws right here. I already checked the float switch on there. I removed that black cap and so there's no water in the pump. So, and then I shuffled this around a little bit. That didn't do anything. Let's take this cover off. Oh. Almost. Let's try that again. Drill flip. Almost nailed it. Let's go for these others. All right. It's off. Let's see. Let me get my big black thing out. Yes. Puff the magic dragon lives by the sea. And that's one expensive fuse. I guess I knew we were gonna need one of these. You know what's gonna happen now, right? Got the cover back on. Let's see how talented I am. Oh, man. I really do hope this works. I just used both hands and was recording with my body. All right. Let's see if the Wi-Fi is still intact. All right. right, the Wi-Fi is still intact. Not too shabby. So date and time, it'll capture that too. And then we'll check for operation for our cooling and heating circuits. I'm waiting for equipment. I wish there was a way to make this faster. I really do. All right, while we're here, let's check the filter. Good thing I decided to check the filter today. Damn. Another Picasso. 6 central air conditioning systems in the whole house. I was only able to find this return and another return in the attic. Let's feel our line, it's warm, and that is cold. So we're running, the system is cooling. I need to get him some filters. This is 14 by 30 by 1. Wash machine, that standpipe needs to be, yeah, I guess it's about right. The code, top of the standpipe needs to be, I think it's 16 or 18 inches off of the top of the flood rim of the appliance. So that would be right about here. So yeah, you're good. They are dumping on a stack. So this is this is a waste stack. It's labeled second floor bathroom. This should be vented. Oh well. All right. Let's mode to heat, done, and let's raise this to 74. That relay just clicked. Now I think we got a strap-on little temperature sensor there, so this is return, this is feed. Let's see if it starts to warm up. Yep, getting hot. There we go, and the fan kicked off. This is hot. Okay, good. All right, so I have the FLIR 1 connected thermal imaging device hooked up to my iPhone. It's a little laggy, right? But it will allow me to show you guys this. So there is, the proof is in the pudding, right? There is that one pipe right there. We have a temperature, surface temperature of 130 degrees on that supply. And our return, 115, sorry, hold on. 116. So now I've just verified and validated that the system is functional, both in heating and in cooling. And I can do a quick little, I guess, air leakage test. See if there's anything out of the ordinary. Nope. That's pretty cool. There's the click of the relay, 68 degrees, and done.